It was great. We're gonna have a great army. Great everything. Yeah. What do you want, Yellowbird? We got no army. We lost everyone. What do you mean we lost everyone? Yeah, we may have killed everyone, but we lost everyone.
Redbird.
Everyone.
Redbird, I found a button.
Press it. Press it. Press it. Press it. We're gonna come after you, Redbird. Oh, we're gonna come after you. Press it, Bombird. See what it does. Wait, what were we fighting about? Hey, what's this?
That's fun.
A mind eraser. Hey, we could use these in handy one day. Hey, you guys want to go get some hot chocolate or something? Yeah, agree. It's about chocolate. Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Hey, what are our names?
Oh yeah, I think my name is Bombird.
Yeah, my name is Redbird.
It's really good to be Pinkbird. Ah, this is so cool. Hey, Redbird! Redbird! What? I found a movie. It's called The Bird. Really? Yeah, some camera guy has been like following us. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Hey, we should go watch it. Come on, guys.
What does this button do?
Just leave it. Come on.
Wait. Is this something?
Mind eraser. Come on. Let's go watch The Bird.
No, it's not mine.
Let's go watch The Bird.
It's not mine eraser. It's
Come on, Bombird.
back in time.